recently acquired a 3D printer. You know, you wonder what you're going to do with it. I've been playing around with it. Oh, it's kind of bright. How close can I get? Made a 3D pig. Made a small barrel. And I went a little bigger, made my own, designed my own. And I've been messing around with Lightwave 3D for many years, trying to learn it. Made a skull. So it's like, what can I use this for? Well, something's popped up that I maybe can do it. Let me show you. So my wife was building a puzzle, and a piece fell on the floor, and the dog chewed it up. So I'm going to try to print this out on 3D printer. So my first thought is I got to get a pattern of this, the shape of this puzzle piece. So I thought I would try this. Well, that's okay, but it doesn't quite get it. It's, you know, the lines aren't sharp enough for me to see. So I think I will trace it on a piece of paper. And then I'll trace out my puzzle piece that I need. There we go. So now I'm going to take a picture of it with my phone. So I thought I'd lay a ruler down beside to kind of give me some kind of I'll see kind of the size just in case. I'll take a picture of this with my phone. Now up to the computer to get that picture off my phone. Okay, I've uploaded that picture to my computer and I put it in images, so there it is. Now I'm ready to go to my screen capture software. I'm going to start my Lightwave 3D program. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Edit, Backdrop Options, and I want to put my image down here in the bottom left. And then for image, I'm going to go load an image, and I'm going to load that background picture, or that picture that I took of the puzzle piece that I drew on paper. Okay, I can zoom in now. Let's go to full screen. So now I am ready to start outlining my picture. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use the pen. Here's line. I don't know what line pen is. I'm going to use the pen for now. I'm going to start here and work my way around. Let me fast forward this. Okay, let me click off the pen. Let me alright, there it is. It's only one-sided right now. Extrude it. Extrude. There we go. Now I'm just going to have to do some measuring here. Under Details, Measure, the Measure tool. Alright, down here in the bottom left corner, it says length, and it's 0.625 inches. That's a little over a half an inch. My puzzle piece isn't that big, so I'll have to make it littler. I'm going to have to go down and measure the puzzle and see how thick it really is. Okay, it's 1/16. So if you took 1 inch, divided it by 16, that would be 0.0625. So that would be my thickness that I want right now. So back to my move tool, move it down, back to my measure tool. I'm around 0.15. Wow, I need 0.5. 0.09. So there we have 0.09. 0.075. You know what? I'm going to go with that right there. Well, let's see. This is, it's probably, let's just see if this is reading 1 inch. Oh, shoot. My measure tool is, there we go. It's reading 9.6 inches. Hey, that's one way to get my scale down with this ruler being there. Yeah, that's my picture. Let's see if I can make it the picture smaller and fit it right in with my puzzle piece. Whoa, it's really got to go. Drawing a little small, but let's just see where we're at here. In 1 inch. 1 inch. You know what? That's pretty good right there. Now I'll take the Shift H and shrink my puzzle piece down. Do a T for move. Let's get it over top of this. But I'm sure glad I put that ruler in there. Let's go enlarge. Okay. Now let's check my thickness since I shrunk it. 8 mil. T for move. We're going to go a little bigger. What is that shortcut? I think that's Control E. There it is. 0.0625. That's what I want. Perfect. So that should be my puzzle piece right there. Okay, one other thing to do is, this is the top view from up right here, top view, and look how you see it. So being the side view, it's standing upright. We need to kind of rotate that so it's so if I get in this view and hit R, there, now it's laying down. And okay, file save, and then file export STL. I got it already exported, so I'm just going to save over top of it. I'm going to open up Cura, and then I'm going to bring that piece in. Oh yes, it's there. So I didn't show you, but I end up, when I laid it down, so from the top view you'd be looking down at it like this, I also copied and made a second piece, and then I made that piece just a little bit larger. So I'm ready to print. I'll go and send this to my, click this and it'll send it to my SD card. Okay, got my SD card. That's the mini SD card. We'll stick it in the slot there. I don't know if you've seen that. Stuck it in the slot there. Alright, I'll turn the power on. I'm going to move to the home axis. Alright, I'll exit that. Now I'm going to set my temperatures. Exit that. Now I'll pick the model I want to print, which is going to be the puzzle. There it is. The puzzle piece. Hit OK. Now we just got to wait for everything to heat up, and then it will start printing. Alright, it's putting the base down right now. I'll come back after it gets really going. Oh, look at that, you can see the puzzle piece in there. So it should be starting to fill in. Okay, it's finished, so I just got to cut it off, get it off of there. There we go. Now all I got to do is break away this layer like that. So let me put my camera down and do that. And then we'll try this piece out, and hopefully it will work the first try. Okay, well, let's see, a little cleaning up. I haven't done that yet, but ooh, look at that. That fit right in there. I'm gonna put, I don't know which there. That's one. And I'll make this maybe 2. 2 would maybe work. It's just going to need a filing. So I'll take a fingernail file. See if I can file this off. Well, that's good. The first try I got 2 pieces that can work. So, number 1, which fit the best. It snapped in there a little tight, but it did go in. Let's see what number 2, which I think number 2 is my original side. Oh yeah, it fit a lot looser. It's a little sloppy up there though. Definitely fit loose. So I think this one will be it. May file it down a little bit. So I'm lucky it was in the blue area. So that won't be too hard to paint to make it match. Okay. I got some white in here, I got some white here, and some blue. So let's mix it up and see if I can't get. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to. Let me go see how well that matches the blue sky. That was too light. Let's check that color. Oops, I put that in with the white. That's going to be hard getting that to match. I guess this will probably be the hardest part of it all. Trying to match that collar blue. See what that's like. Alright, I'm going to keep working on this, and when I get it done, I'll show you the finished product. Okay, there we are. Can you see it? Where's the piece at? There it is. My paint job could be a little better. I'll keep working on it.